All right, if you feel like ElevenLabs is taking too long, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to speed things up and generate voiceovers much faster. First, don't generate huge blocks of text at once. Break your script into smaller parts. Yeah, this makes processing much faster. Some voices take longer to process than others, so try simpler or default voices for faster results. If you're using advanced settings, reduce complexity a bit. Lower expressiveness can sometimes speed up generation. Try not to run too many generations at once. Yeah, doing one at a time keeps things smooth. A slow connection can delay everything. So make sure your internet is stable for faster processing. If things feel stuck, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. This can instantly fix slowdowns. Here's a hidden tip. Use ElevenLabs during off-peak hours. Fewer users means faster generation. If you're using it a lot, upgrading your plan can also improve speed and limits. And yeah, that's how you speed up ElevenLabs. These small tweaks can save you a lot of time, especially if you're creating content regularly.